So this is part of your electrical system. It's a long freaking bolt. It's a really long bolt. Okay, let go. So maybe part of the reason why something's not working is because that's not hooked up. That's a possibility. No ground. I don't know what that is, but that's something. A whole ass load of extra wires here for other accessories we probably don't possess. Probably could have used those. So first, let's hook up this ground. Oh! That's why it's disconnected. Nobody wants to hear that shit. Yeah, it works. Okay, that's why that's disconnected. Annoying ass buzzer. So I'm having issues with the horn and the wipers. So let's try and find the horn relay. This one right here. Like that. Oh, look, the whole thing comes out. How lucky is that? And then we can pull it off. And it's just a 5-prong relay. Let me see what it says on the top. Bosch, Germany. 12 volt, 30 amp. I think I got some of those. Hold on. Okay, so the horn relay works. When I get power all the way down to the horn wire, and then I jumpered the horn, I get nothing. So horns are bad. So I was having some problems getting the windshield wipers to work. The motor was humming, but nothing was happening. So I went to take it apart, see what's going on, and it disintegrated. Just fell apart. So took the cowl off, took it out, ordered another one. We'll do a windshield wiper install, I guess. Right here is your relay for your flashers. So since I put the LEDs in, I gotta get a new relay for that. This is the old flasher relay. Since we installed the LED lamps, we have to switch to this one. Where's the camera? It's on Amazon. I'll put the link to the part in the details, but I don't want to use this one, so I'm going to put on this one so we can hook it up to the ground tab. So we are working right here. There's 3 prongs. Only plugs in one way. Pretty simple. And it snaps in to this mounting position. And then we plug in our ground. blinkers work. You can see them back there. Turn the lights on. Blinkers work. Easy peasy. We are underneath the steering wheel. So right here is this plug that people ask about. I'll post a link. This is the same type of plug that BMW uses for their motorcycles. If anybody rides, you know what I'm talking about. I got this off of Amazon. I want to say it was like 20 bucks. On this side, it's a dual USB connector. Some double-sided sticky tape, and now you can charge your phone.